Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Is this thing going to start? Can anybody hear me? You hear me? Okay. Well, shit, it's not on my screen. That's funny because nothing's on my screen. All right. Give me a minute here. Probably because I started early. I don't know. There was nothing on my screen. There was literally nothing on my screen over here. Morning, everybody. That's fucking funny. I'm sitting there going, I pushed the start button a while ago. Is anybody there? All right. I made a little bit of money this morning. Not much. $230. I lost a little bit of money in gold. And then I made a little bit of money in the NQ. So I'm up $230. Just to put it in perspective of where I am right now. I'm waiting for gold come down here and test the top of the box. Potentially for a long. Look at these gaps. So gold was fucking ridiculous yesterday. So look at these gaps. So the prior day low is at 43.78. The prior day high is like at 45.83, somewhere up in that range. I mean, that is huge. That is freaking huge. That is insanely huge. Insanely huge. So I got to wait for the 15-minute boxes to do their thing. So oil, just to give you an update on oil right here, its box is only 47.88. So it's only, it's like 41 ticks. There's not much there to that box. So I'm probably just going to ignore. I'm probably just going to ignore oil today. It's not worth spending my time looking at it. Because by the time I have an entry, if I do cross the box and it actually does cross the box, I might be looking at maybe 330, 40, 50 bucks maybe. That's about it. So I would much rather look at some other things that are actually creating some bigger opportunities. That's my objective right now. So today is Thursday, and we had some 8:30 news that didn't really move anything. And then we got some 10 o'clock news, which is probably not going to move much either. Gold, you're really pissing me off, man. Where is the touch? Where is the touch right here? This whole run up was supposed to happen after you touched right here. So frustrating when the sharks are not in the tank, because the sharks would drive it to that level and then drive it back up. Damn it. That really is frustrating. Anyways, let's see here. So I'm going to minimize that for now. All right, let's see here. I know, dude. It's like I sat here and waited for this, and then we missed it by 7 ticks, which 7 ticks may sound like a lot to people, but the way gold is moving, the ranges that gold has, that's not a lot of ticks right now. The range that gold has right now, 7 ticks, is pretty freaking small. Just pisses me off, man. That would have been my money banger right there. That would have been it. That would have been my money banger, just like yesterday. Gold made me a nice big stack of cash first thing in the morning, but today it doesn't want to cooperate, apparently, which kind of sucks. It's why I started the live stream a little early, because I actually thought we were coming down here so I can enter it and tell you guys all about it. It's exactly why I started my live stream early. Certainly wasn't so I could sit here and watch these boxes get formed for 15 freaking minutes right here. I don't really care. So for those of you early birds, let's show you this. All right. For those of you early birds, let's show you this. So gold, so the gold is, the red line is sloping down. Okay. That's a downward slope right there. Of course, it's really down here. Price crosses, sits on the red line, bam, down. Comes back up, sits on the 5-minute gold line, and that's it. It's all over. Patterns, man. Patterns. Patterns, patterns, patterns. This, I got in right here for the next run in the 5-minute gold line, and it did run down. I mean, shit, that was about $400+ to the downside, and I was defending this candle after it went down. They stopped me out. I think I lost like $130. I was trying to go through the bottom of the box and get, more than $1,000. You know what I mean? So I was in a gold trade earlier today, trying to make, make a big bank, but, and it, like I said, I was up $400 and some in that trade, but I was looking for, I wanted to hit something that would make a difference in my P&L. I didn't want to hit $400. Which is exactly why I'm going to ignore oil today. Because even if I'm on the right side of the trade, I ain't making any money. Maybe, Bill. I've got two. I've got two just in case. I do. I have two just in case. So what are we at? We're at 941. So here's, look at that. Prior day low. Look at that dirty dog. So they crossed the prior day low. Cross the prior day low. Let's pretend the box isn't here. They crossed the prior day low, sat on it, and then ran it straight up for almost 100 ticks, 100 points. 100 points. It was about 5 points short of 100 points. Right off the prior day low. Now, who should have been surprised by that? Support becomes resistance. I can't stress this stuff enough. Support becomes resistance. Becomes support. See it? That's why I tell you guys, look to the left. Look to the left. See if your lines are working. And then when it happens to the right, it tells you what's going to go on. It's crazy. It's just, when I first started, like, all of a sudden going, holy shit, look at these patterns. It just was like, I kept thinking, oh, it's just an anomaly. I'm just seeing, it's just a lucky day. No, dude, that's every fucking day. As long as what happened to the left is supporting what you're trying to do, it's going to happen to the right. Now, of course, I didn't take that because I don't trade that first 15 minutes and shit. But I mean, there it is. And that's exactly why I'm looking for this damn thing right here. I wanted this damn thing to come to here. I mean, you got certain spots. You got certain spots on every chart that become, objectives of the sharks when they're cleaning out stops. And when you can start recognizing those, when you yourself have those points of interest burned in your brain, you will start seeing the patterns and you will start laughing like I do when they happen. All right, let's see here. What do we got? Damn. Got the damn landscaper out here. All right. Let's spread this shit out. So in the ES has not tested the top of the prior day low like the NQ did right here. Like the NQ did right there. The ES has not done that yet. So that might be something to pay attention to. It just screamed through it. Of course, it was right at the open. Anyways, I'm going to, by the way, yes, I would have gotten my $300. Look at that. Look at that. There it goes. I would have gotten my whopping $300. There's the trade right there. But I mean, you know, I'm not not gonna sit here and stare at oil for 30 minutes so I can get that $300 when there's other shit going on that's got a lot more range to it. That is another reason why I like to have multiple instruments in front of me, because some days oil's moving like crazy. Some days gold is moving like crazy. You know, some days the YM is just going wing, 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 and the NQ's not doing anything. It just allows me to focus more on which instrument appears to be providing me the best opportunities. But that's pretty funny that damn oil did that. I mean, again, I would have made from my entry 82 to 52, 30, I would have made $320. $320, which again, I'm not scoffing at $320, but I mean, we're at the open. Shit, man, we could have busted out of the top of the box like we did yesterday for $1,000. I made 1,000, or 2 days ago. I made $1,000 coming straight out of the box in the NQ. I mean, I just don't want to be distracted by that. So we're back at the prior day low right here. There's definitely going to be a battle right here to hold. You can see that right there. They are battling to hold it north of the low. There is a battle going on there. Good morning, Wayne. I don't even know if I said good morning to everybody today or not. I'm sorry. Come on, somebody set something up that I can invest some money in. I'm not excited that this is sitting here now, just so you know. I'm not excited because we're between, you know, to try to take a trade here is difficult because this is the prior day low and this is the mid band right there in front of us. All right, we're coming down across the box here. Woohoo! All right. I'm still waiting for gold to come and test the top of the box. I am still staring at it right now because I just think it's going to make the decision to do that. Probably when I least expect it. That's normally how this shit works. You can sit there and look at an instrument, waiting for a rotation. And as soon as you get distracted and you're, you know, petting the dog or getting another cup of coffee, all of a sudden you turn and you go, oh, shit. Because it'll go bing, 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 you know, in a straight line right to your spot and then rotate. And you're like sitting there holding your ass and you're wondering, should I chase it? Should I chase it? Which, of course, you know me, I don't chase nothing. I don't chase a damn thing. All right, so so conversational purposes here. I'm just going to bring this down. We've got 20 seconds for this to actually do it. This candle needs to come back down here and inside this box because now we've created space right here for a potential short across the box. But we got to have, okay, it stayed on top of it. It stayed on top of the YM box. So now we have space here. So it might set up for a long. So I'm just going to keep looking at that. Okay. Let me pull this back down. Okay. Let me turn this on. We have a potential. Sit. Just stay. Just stay, YM. Just stay. Stay for now. Just stay. Don't run off on me. All right. Come on. Oh, come on. Don't go down. Oh, shit. All right. Well, shit. Gold is killing me. Why are you just sitting there? You're the one with all the potential. Oh, shit. Give me just a second, guys. Give me a second. See, now we're on the bottom. I want to point this out. We're on the bottom of the prior day low here. So there should be an initial reaction to the downside because we came across it, created space, and here we are. But we've got a conflicting scenario because across the box traders are going to want to go across the box. What are you talking about? Ah, Jesus. Sorry. I don't care about that shit. What's going on here? Yeah, I didn't hit that YM either. Okay, let's see here. This is starting to look like an M pattern here to the long side. Right here. I mean, a W. Bing, bing, bing. A W. Why? And remember, guys, I'm dyslexic. So my M's are W's and W's are M's. Go, 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 go. I'm going to cross. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go, go, go. Now run. Run. There you go. Now let's go. Quit that. Shit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Would you fucking quit that? Man. Come on. Come on. Okay, we got a problem because we just ran into the prior day low right there. Everybody saw that. So that's what's in my way. That's the big hurdle. The prior day low is the big hurdle. That is the big hurdle. There, come on, bitch. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. That was the big hurdle. Got to get through that. Come on, keep going. And then we got to break the pivot of this mid band. That right here, this candle. That's what confirms the pattern. We need that to go. Come on. Come on. Do not let the prior day low stop you. Do not let the prior day low stop you. Come on. Do not let it stop you. Come on. Do not let it stop you. Come on, baby. Come on. Do not let it stop you. We believe in you. I believe in you. God dang it. Come on. I believe in you. Ah, you dog. That freaking damn over that prior day low, man, is in the way. It's in the freaking way. Damn it. It's still going to work. You watch. It's still going to work. The pattern's there. I just can't stomach the swings to get there. It's still, I'm telling you, this is still going to work. It's just this freaking thing is in the way. All right, hold on here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Oh my God. So the ES is heading to the prior day low. Remember, we talked about that potential. And it's dragging this with it right off the mid band. Man, the RTY is moving today. Holy crap. Yeah, the RTY is moving like just like yesterday. The RTY was moving yesterday too. Just like yesterday, the RTY was moving. I mean, I caught a big trade in the RTY yesterday, but look at that one. So it came out, bing, and then bam. Jesus. Now I'm going to have to wait because there's too much noise. There's too much noise. This is the swing low right here, defending the longs. That's the swing low defending the longs. Unfortunately, the confirmation of the longs didn't happen because this did not pierce this. And that was what I was yelling about. We needed that to pierce that. And if now, so let me explain something to you guys. If this had pierced this, I would have moved my stop back and left it alone, because that's what you need. That again, footprints in the sand. Then I would have stepped back. I would have moved my stop back into the even area and just left it alone, because now then the battle starts here to go to here. All right, so the ES is at the prior day low. The ES is at the prior day low. So I'm probably going to take this right here. I'm probably going to take this trade. As a matter of fact, I know I am. Yeah, I'm going to take this trade right here if it triggers. All right, here we go. Here we go. I'm going to defend that candle. I'm going to run this here. There we go. Come on. Come on. Now you two can agree with each other. There's watch the NQ and the ES agree with each other. Now they're going to agree with each other. Come on, ES, do something. There you go. There you go. Look at that. And see, this finally has agreement with this. And so this is probably going to run the box now. God dang it. Come on. Let's go. Let's keep going up. You got to get through that. Come on, NQ. You got to get through that. You got to get through that prior day low. Come on, people. Let's go. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. All right, there you go. Everybody's good. Everybody's good. It's just coming. They're just coming back, cleaning out stops here. Just cleaning out stops. They do it all the time before they do the big move. Just coming back, cleaning out stops. Now, come on, break that candle right there. Break that candle right there. Come on, 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 come on. Break that candle right there. Come on. Come on. No, 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 no. Come on. What the fuck? Oh, my God. Really? Keep going. That fucking prior day low in the NQ is killing me. We're struggling over here on the left because of the prior day low in the NQ is pushing us down on the right, and it's really causing havoc with the ES. We just need the ES to get some fucking balls in its pants and get moving. Come on, move. There you go. Come on, baby. Come on. We really need that NQ over here to clear that prior day low. That is literally beating us in the face right now. There we go. Come on. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. See, if you watch the right, it helps you determine what's going on the left. All right, there we go. Look at that. Yee-haw! Hooty hoo! Hooty hoo! Come on! Oh, did it break that pivot? Hold on here. God dang it, I can't look. I don't think we broke that pivot in the NQ. I don't think we broke that pivot yet. God dang it. What is wrong with you guys? Seriously, this consolidation bullshit needs to end. Let's go. Oh, fucking God dang it. Here, let me put this stop in here so I can look. Yeah, we didn't break that damn pivot. Fuck. This right here. We did not break that pivot. See, the dots are still there. God dang it. Come on. Next leg. Come on. Come on, buyers. Come on. That's what's holding this up. If this can just break through there, this will cross that box, man. We are just kind of stuck right now. We are just kind of stuck right now. Come on, NQ. Fuck. You are fucking killing me. Come on, NQ. This right here. This right there is not a good sign. Come on. God dang. Unbelievable. I'm going to get knocked out for like a $12 loss here, I think. Yep. Yep. that freaking dot right there, damn it. That was the kiss of death, man. These consolidation days are, I mean, these summer trading days with minor rotations are freaking painful. Look at this garbage right here. And I was able to identify a trade that lasted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes, which I think is a fucking miracle in this shit. I think that's a miracle in that. I was able to identify a rotation in here that I could defend for freaking 8 minutes in all that garbage. All right. All right. All right. I'm looking for a long here, right here. Create a little gap. I'm going to have a little pullback right there. I'm going to look for a long here. I need it to stay down here. Stay down here. Don't take off on me. Don't take off. Nah, fuck it. I ain't doing it. Forget it. I'm not doing 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 it. Then I'd just be hoping. When that candle right there did not pierce that top, that was a very, 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 very bad sign. And that's why I grabbed my stop in the ES trade and moved it up instead of giving it room, was because of this. What happened in a totally different instrument. All right, let me look at this here. Man, we might have a really, really ugly W, but it's up, down, down. It's holding right there. No, it just broke through it. Just broke through it. Yep, forget it. Forget it. God dang it. Damn it. Son of a bitch. Just can't seem to get into a rotation I can defend. Well, I got into 2 rotations, 2 separate ones. This one right here, which was a lot of money. Don't get me wrong. To here, it was a lot of money. But I mean, I needed it to go, or no, it was this one right here. To here, it was pretty good money. I think it was $700 or so. But I was looking for that. I mean, I'm looking for bigger. I'm looking for, because the opportunities are limited. Being August, I'm just looking for something bigger so that I can capitalize on it and just call it a day. If I'm making sense. I mean, I could be clearly up quite a bit of money between this trade and this trade, but you know, I'm not here to just clip a few bucks anymore. If I was trading a prop firm account, I'd have a different mentality. I would have a different mentality if I was trading a prop firm account, because I can't allow the drawback and all that kind of shit. Man, I missed a nice 5-minute gold line trade in gold. Sure did. Sure did. Sure as hell did. So, another little just piece of information. What keeps you out of what stops me from getting beat up and all this shit now is exactly this. Dot. If you're not breaking, if you're looking for longs and you're not breaking the dots to your left that are green, you're in trouble. If you're looking for shorts and you're not breaking the dots to your left that are yellow, you're in trouble. It's all about creating stairs. Man, ES, what the frick are you doing? So the ES comes through the prior day low and the bottom of the box, and then it stops. Man, dude, you need to come back up here to the bottom of the prior day low like you did here and give us a short. Okay? Come on. Come on, ES, do something. It is all about the dots, man. It really, the dots tell you the directions of the moves in the 1 minute level. Is there something in a 5 minute level or a 10 minute level or 30-minute level that shows you differently? Yeah, very possible. But the swings I look for are in the 1 minute level. Man, it's just like, hold on here, folks. Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna look for a potential short in the ES. Okay, we got a new swing low here, back up to the prior day low. We're at We're not at a swing low here, but we are at a low. Come on, hold on here. Come on, just bring me down. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Just keep going. Just keep running, 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 running. No. Come on, run down. Oh my God. You guys are just fucking killing me today. You're just killing me. All right, we just pierced this right here. So a pullback to the prior day low and a rotation. I'm all over it. We just finally broke this pivot here. Man, it's just some sloppy shit, guys. Like none of the rotations hold water. They just kind of like, oh, okay. And then they just rotate the other way. Like there's no commitment. All right, so now I want this to come back to here minimum. Footprints in the sand. We broke that pivot right there. So hopefully they're showing us that they're willing to go long. And we just need to figure out where that's going to be from. But I'm not chasing shit, so it's gonna have to give me something that I can defend. Something I can defend. Something I can defend. Good idea, Danny. By the way, I gave a big speech about that yesterday. I said, don't let August trading destroy your confidence. I'm even though it's been just crappy as shit, I'm still up for the week. Like, let me see here. Probably about $3,000 at least. Somewhere around there. somewhere around there. But again, you know, I mean, big chunk of that was yesterday because the market started moving yesterday. And today there's movement. The problem is like, I mean, today there's movement, but like, for example, with gold, we never got commitment spots. We never got spots that we could commit to. This was one right here, but I wasn't paying attention. I was watching the NQ. We had a daily high, bam. How many times have I told you guys that 5-minute gold line? And then whoop, there you go. Well, up to here at least. So, you know, you're at, you know, $700-800. But I mean, you really got to dig through the weeds. Unfortunately, you have to dig through the weeds to find trades right now. They are not just laying themselves in front of you. Here's potential off the top of the prior day low. I would like to do that. At the same time, this thing is still sitting here. If this takes off from here, that's an example of just being a pain in the ass. Because, see, it's what? One tick from hitting the prior day low. Come on, man. One tick. I mean, what the hell am I going to do about that? Come on, ES. Come down and clean out that zone. Come on. So far, the NQ has yet to break a candle long. So let's talk just quickly. This is our swing that we're focused on. The fact that we swung through that high. So we're looking for a rotation spot. So far, there has not been one. Okay, now we're finally at the bottom of the box. There may be one setting up right now. And we're also off the prior day low here. God dang it, don't run off on me. Shoot. I got two choices. I'm probably going to do the ES version. Yeah, I'm going to do the ES. This still has not. If we get a smaller candle here, I'm going to start paying attention for a long here in the NQ. If we get just keep this candle like this. Don't get all big and hairy like this one. Don't get all big and hairy like this one. You got big and hairy. All right, well, forget it. It got big and hairy. It got big and hairy. Wow. This is crazy. Come on. So we had 3 candle tops right here in a row at the same spot in the ES. One tick from my buy stop. Interesting. All right, I'm in. Oh boy, that one's gone. Come on, baby, go. I'm going to defend that candle right there. So I'm in it for $150. Woohoo! Come on, let's go. Come on. Man, it had a big break to the long side, and then it just stopped. There we go. Come on. Prior day low. Let's go. Prior day low. Let's go. Prior day low. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Of course, we got the prior day low freaking in the NQ sticking it in our butt again. Wow. This is why I took the ES one, by the way, is because the NQ version, the candles were so big, number one. Number two, I know the NQ version is going to have a big problem right there. But pattern-wise, we're supposed to go long. Latest version is long. So I'm just sticking with the long here. So I took the ES version, which is a lot less sloppy. Candles aren't as big. I'm risking a lot less money, blah, 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 blah. Okay. But for the ES version to work, the NQ is going to have to work also. It's just a necessity. For the ES to go across that box, the NQ is going to have to keep its ass going long. And I knew that when I got in this trade, that this was going to have a problem right here. But I'm okay with that for right now. There you go. Come on, baby. Come on. Now, come on. Now, so we've got a higher swing point than here. We've got a higher swing here than here. So we need this fucking thing to confirm. Confirm. I'm going to give this thing some room. I'm going to give it some room. I cannot let this thing. It got me. Forget it. I'm done. I'm done. I cannot battle this. I cannot battle this prior day low damn thing right here being in the middle of this freaking box. It's just not going to. It's just not going to allow us to do the trades. It's just not going to. We've got two scenarios going on. We got the box and we've got the prior day low. And we're just stuck in the middle of them. We're just stuck in the middle of them. Yep, we're just stuck in the middle of them. Yeah, exactly, Danny. The follow through. So I've talked about that. You know, with when the follow through isn't there, and you've accepted mentally, meaning me, you've accepted mentally that your trades are not going to work 50% of the time. Let's just use that number because I like that number. It's a nice acceptable number. So if you accept mentally that the losses are going to happen 50% of the time, you know, or the failed trades, which I think is one of the main things to mentally put in your head, so you don't get into this mental feeling of every trade's got to be a winner, and then you start doing stupid shit like averaging in or moving your stops back and giving yourself bigger losses and things like that. So when you have that mentality in your head, That's a good thing. Where the problem comes in is if you're going to take a trade, your wins, once you accept that first step, you have to put yourself into a market where you know your wins, when they do happen, are going to, and you have to allow, and here's the second part of this, you have to allow them to happen. You have to go into trades where your wins are going to minimum be double your loss out of the gate if they happen, without a Christmas miracle. No Christmas miracle, okay? Just your standard rotation, like here's your gap and here's your long, and this is your stop loss. So here's your entry. So your win's got to be, you got to have room for your win to be double your loss. And you not only have room for it, you've got to allow the thing to do it. But in the summertime, when your rotations are so damn small, your swings are so small, it's just, you know what I mean? That's why I'm being that's part of the reason why when I'm sitting here and I'm taking these trades, I am not allowing myself to go out right here, for example, because I need it to go to here. I need it to clean out all the potential, non-rotations I'm going to get into if I'm trading today, because we're in August. It's August 20th. And this is a good example of what August 20th looks like. Just crazy. Just crazy. But anyways. Shit. Yes, thanks, Bruce. Yeah. I'm heading out ass crack of dawn Saturday. I cannot wait. Ass crack of dawn, flying out of Charlotte. I cannot wait. Anyways, I'll see you when I get back, Bruce. Thank you for the thoughts. Oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. God, I can't wait. All right. Jesus. Jesus, fucking gold is just what the hell? And every time I turn my head, it just keeps going up. Come on. Come on. Wow. I don't know what to say, guys. We're just not getting any movement. Getting any movement. I mean, I am looking at everything. I am looking at everything. There's just, I mean, fucking A. Let's see here. YM ain't doing shit. RTY did have some movement, and then it's kind of gone to sleep. Come on. Come on. All right, so NQ has tested the top of the midband. Of course, you can see by looking at the reaction, it immediately shot back up. I mean, it hit there and immediately shot back up. I mean, look at it. It went through it by a tick or two and then shot straight back up. So that was the retest. I was hoping for a consolidation before it ran off. Now it's coming back. Jesus, fucking, I swear to God, gold is just in its own freaking world over here. RTY is rejecting the bottom of the box. Yep, it's rejecting the bottom of the box. To the downside. Bottom of the box to the downside. I'm in it. I just don't know that I'm going to get anywhere with it. I am in it. I'm in that short. I'm out. I'm out of it. All right, so we have a scenario here where the NQ came down and tested the prior day low right here. We got the mid band on ES. So, I mean, we have agreement. I'm going to pay attention to this scenario right here. Pay attention to this scenario right here. We had a rotation to a high, a swing back to the prior day low. It happens to also be our red line. So let's just see. This did the same thing. It swung to the mid band. So this might be my last trade of the day. Either do this or call it a day. Either do this or call it a day. This just might be it if I get in. If I get in, this just might be it. Now, I like this. We went through the bottom of this candle right here, this one right here. So if we rotate back up, that's really good. That would be really good. We went through the bottom of the candle to the left. We have not gone through the top of it. This is starting to go long here. This is starting to go long here. So this is a good sign. If the ES would start moving, the NQ will probably follow suit. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Son of a gun. Come on. Jesus. Oh, boy. This will probably be it. If I get in, this will probably be the last one of the day for me. So let's hope it's a big one. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. All right, we had a green candle. Now why can't we do another green candle? Why do we have to do red? Why do we have to do red? No. I'm going to defend that candle right there. Come on. So I'm risking $300 here. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. There you go. Let's go. There you go. Come on. There you go. All right. Woohoo! IDES is really trying to help us here, guys. I just don't know why the NQ won't go. Come on, NQ. What the hell? You guys are killing me today. What the fuck? We are long off the prior day low. What is the problem? Seriously, what is the problem? I'm about to get popped for minus $300 here. Yep, there it is. All right, I'm done. 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 A rotation like this doesn't at least go back to here. When the ES is doing the same fucking thing, come on, man. Garbage. Just garbage. When the ES is doing the same thing to your left, and your rotation does not leave the prior day low after that swing to here, just forget it. The Sharks are not in the tank. That son of a bitch should have ran right to their minimum. And that's where your battle should have started. Minimum. Anyways, so I'm down $400, which is okay. I still made like $2,500 this week or some shit. And I'll wait till later in the afternoon if I'm still sitting around here until, maybe NQ and ES get out of this shit. I mean, it keeps giving us signs that it's coming out. Look at this. Once this rolled over, this is what I'm looking. I'm looking for a rotation and a swing. What the fuck? Hold on here. I'm looking at this NQ. I mean, this ES. Hold on here. We had an inside candle. We went through the bottom. Let's go up through the top. Come on. Hell, I think we did the same thing in the NQ. Shit. All right, hold on here. All right, I'm if we rotate quick here, I'm willing to do it. But if we don't, I'm going to kill this trade. No, I'm in. That's it. I'm done. And it's what's killing me is look at gold. It just keeps climbing. It just keeps climbing. Gold just off and running. And the sad part is it missed my entry right here by 7 ticks. Right there. That was my entry. Just keeps climbing. It's giving me, I mean, there's some 5-minute gold trades I could have taken, but God dang. Anyways. I mean, gold is just Jesus. Gold is just gone. What the fuck? Gold is in its own world right now. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Earl. Or I'll just, what I'm going to do after I shut down the live stream is I'm going to pay attention, and probably gold will come back to a 5-minute gold line or something like that, and I'll just hit it and get my money back. But I'm not going to just sit here and burn in screen time on a live stream waiting for that to happen. I mean, it's already happened multiple times. Here's one of them right here. Here's to prove it high. Boom, 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 bam, bam. There's your money. Ching! I mean, hello. So anyways, I mean, it's already happened multiple times. So yeah, I'll get my money back somewhere. I will get my money back today somewhere if I spend the time looking at the charts. I do have a lot of things to do because I am leaving town for 12 days or something like that. So I will be here tomorrow. Most likely, I will be here tomorrow. And again, I won't be here for like the following week and a half or so after that. Okay? Anyways, everybody have a good day. I will talk to you tomorrow. And this is just an example of when you should appreciate trading a lot when it's when it's when it's September and October, or when it's February, March, and April. Just to appreciate the trading a lot more than when the sharks are in the water. So everybody have a good day. Obviously, somebody's buying up all the gold. Somebody's buying up all the gold. Y'all know why they're buying up the gold, don't you? Do you guys know why they're buying up the gold? Just for those of you that aren't paying attention, do you know why the gold is being bought up? Because they have executed the plan, the master plan. The master plan is to monetize the debt. And the way they're going to monetize the debt so that they don't destroy bondholders. And by the way, they tested this. They tested this whole fucking thing during the scamdemic with mortgage bonds. But they're going to buy up the debt. I mean, nothing says your economy, i.e., and your government is more fucked than when your central bank buys the debt of your government. Nothing says you're more fucked than that. And then what they're going to do, because the holder of the debt of the federal government, I'm just telling it out to you today, the holder of the debt of the federal government, it's the central bank. I mean, we got, no harm, no foul. We'll just make the debt disappear. Well, there is a foul. The foul is called inflation. The foul is called inflation. But they've got the average person in this country too fucking retarded to realize that inflation is a tax. There's a tax that you put on a 1040, and then there's a tax for the government just printing fucking debt and spending it on shit. There's two taxes. Anyways, everybody have a good day. If this stuff starts moving like it is now, I will get my money back. You can take that to the bank. Talk to you guys later. Bye.